Today, we're driving about an hour east of downtown San Antonio to visit one of the most famous roadside megastops in the country. They say everything is bigger in Texas, and nowhere proves it better than this place.
Today, I'm in Luling, Texas. And right here is the world's biggest Buc-ee.
This Buc-ee spans more than 75,000 square feet and features over 100 gas pumps, looking more like an airport terminal than a convenience store. And despite the size, the parking lot is constantly packed with road trippers, families, and curious first-time visitors. Like me, stopping to see what all the hype is about. Buc-ee started as a small Texas convenience store chain, but over the years it evolved into a cultural phenomena across the South. The moment you step inside, it feels less like a truck stop and more like a giant retail marketplace. The place is brightly lit and constantly moving. You'll notice massive snack aisles stretching in every direction. Walls packed with jerky flavors. And somehow it just keeps going.
Look at this. A whole wall of beef jerky. Look at all this different jerky. Steakhouse, Bohemian garlic, teriyaki, cherry maple. I better grab some cherry maple. That looks good.
For a place this busy, it's impressive how organized everything feels. One of the biggest attractions here is the hot barbecue counter, where employees slice brisket right in front of the customers throughout the day. The chopped brisket sandwich has become one of Buc-ee's signature items. Smoky, savory, and surprisingly good for a roadside stop. But the food options don't stop there. There are pulled pork sandwiches, a bakery section, chicken, burritos and tacos, and others. Then there's the famous beaver nuggets. These caramel-coated corn puff snacks have developed a cult following, and almost everyone leaving Buc-ee's seems to walk out carrying at least one bag. And of course, the fudge counter. Rows of homemade fudge in every flavor imaginable. Another huge part of the Buc-ee's experience is the merchandise, and there is a lot of it. The smiling beaver mascot is everywhere.
This is cute. Come on, Buc-ee, let's go look at what else is in here.
And there's racks and racks, shelf after shelf of home items, clothing, footwear, accessories, toys, and all kinds of things. There is, of course, a large section dedicated to Texas-themed gifts and home decor. And shelves full of regional snacks. I have to admit, though, I also visited the Buc-ee's in New Braunfels, Texas. And honestly, it's hard to notice much of a size difference once you're inside. Both locations feel absolutely massive and packed wall to wall with an enormous assortment of products and souvenirs. But overall, I'd still say this Buc-ee's is definitely worth a stop. If you ever find yourself driving through Luling, Texas. If you visited this giant Buc-ee's, or any other Buc-ee's location for that matter, let me know what you think and share your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves road trips, travel, and discovering unique places across America. Thanks for joining me on this short but hopefully interesting tour of the world's largest Buc-ee's. And until next time, thanks for watching.